On this episode, watch Jamie and his crew install and fill up a fiberglass swimming pool in just a couple of days.
Okay, so we're getting started this morning. We're going to excavate for a swimming pool. Let's start digging.
It's bright and early Monday morning, and there's just no time to waste. Pool season is right around the corner. With the excavation complete, it's now time to compact the sub-base. Let's see how it's done.
So here we have our two compactors that we use for the bottom of a pool. Each one of them has a different job. This one here is obviously a lot bigger than this one. It hits with a lot more force, and we use this to compact the subgrade. Where this guy here is more for just leveling out gravel and getting small jobs like that done.
This compactor makes quick work of the job. We'll be ready for the gravel base in no time.
So now we're going to get ready to establish the level of the pool. The first thing we're going to do is set our grade rod here. We have our transit over there. Basically figure out what height we want to set the pool at. We've already figured this, but now we want to make sure that we get our screed rods in so that when we screed the gravel, we're perfect. Okay, so now we're finishing up getting the base in here level. Then we're going to take and install gravel going across the back and screed it out. Another thing you'll notice is that we use all gravel. We don't use any sand, we don't use item 4. Another thing that we use is angular. This is all crushed. We don't use any round stuff. Round stuff's like little balls, it tends to want to move. This stuff, once it's packed in, you can see there's barely any compaction that you're going to be able to do after. So here we are, filling her up. Okay, so now we got the gravel all in, screeded out, and we're ready to use this compactor. This is just going to give us a little bit of compaction on here, and we're all set to place the pool in. Okay, so now we're done compacting, and we are ready to set the pool in a hole. So the pool's coming tomorrow, and that's what you're going to see next. Okay, so now that we've marked out where we're going to put our fittings, our return fittings and our light fittings, we're going to install them. The first thing we do is I always just check and make sure I've got the right size hole saw. Every once in a while you grab the wrong one. These are our returns, and they also doubles our light fittings. And then here we have our suctions. Some people call them main drains. Tools we need to do this are kind of laid out right here. We have some big pliers up here. That's so we can tighten these fittings around the back side of the pool. We have paper towels, and we have silicone to seal it up. And of course, we have a mask so we don't have to breathe this stuff in. So let's do it.
Now that the fittings are in, this pool is ready for backfill and water. We'll be swimming in no time.
Now we have the pool in the ground. As you saw before, it's level. We have the water in the pool, it's been backfilled, and the concrete locking collar has been placed around the pool. At this stage, this pool is ready for coping. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you want to see more clients talking about their experience dealing with us, please click or tap up here. If you'd like to see our latest video, please click or tap over here. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.